Let's talk about NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Mini Me Coffee Machine Starter Kit, 1500W, Black and Gray. Easy to use. All you need is the machine, some water and pods. Easy to clean as all the coffee grounds stay in the pods. There is no mess, no fuss. Compact design, 16.5 by 25.7 by 29.6 x cm WxDxH. Easy to buy pods available in supermarkets and full range on the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto web shop. Hot cold drink capability with wide range of over 40 pods available. I like everything about this easy to use product. Very quick to use to get a fab cup of coffee. Super for just one person. I use it for lattes, hot chocolates and chocchinos, no grumbles at all. In fact, this Mini Me Cups version seems to somehow be more resilient than the other Mini Me version by a different company, which my friend has had issues with. Auto cut off to make it idiot proof. Perfect for pre-work coffee first thing in the morning. Or weekend mid-morning, or evening hot chocolate, or, well, you get the picture. Very happy customer. Highly recommended. Best price available. I've been searching for a replacement for my Doc Gusto as mine sadly broke, and this is the best price about. Brilliant. Love the Dolce Gusto coffees and machines. Have had a small manual one at home for a year or so, got this one to have at work. The tank is a little small. If you're a heavy coffee drinker, it'll need to be filled often, but of course that also means the machine is small, so won't take up too much room. Loads of available varieties of coffees and hot chocolate, chai, etc. Does work out a little pricey per cup, but worth every penny for decent cup of coffee. Automatic machine, so if you get pulled away you'll know it stops pouring by itself. Have had a few messy accidents with the manual one at home, and you can still top it up manually.